Yet place is central to social life according to urban sociology. And place has three necessary characteristics, right? Geographic location, material form, and investing with meaning and value. It's important to study precisely because all of our social processes, like inequality, among others, are emplaced, right? And here is kind of Guerin's annual review of sociology about the space for place in sociology. So places can become battlegrounds of meaning regarding who belongs and who doesn't, among other conflicts. However, I would argue that in many contemporary urban ethnographies, place often falls to the background, rather than being highlighted as an independent social actor or the primary analytic focus. Of course, there are exceptions. There have been moves in fieldwork recently to analytically give weight to two or more different sets of actors in the vein of classic Chicago school. So here I'm thinking of Marco Garrido's work, Waverly Duck, Fred Weary, and or recenter place as the focal lens, right? And so here I'm thinking of Elijah Anderson, Mario Small, Forrest Stewart. And here, situated ethnography follows in classic urban ethnography and community study by recentering place as its focal point and emphasis on the social multiple worlds within it. Understanding how, why, and what forms fields intersect are important for how place itself is constituted and shift scholarly attention from a more vertical analysis of how global forces shape life on the ground, which is the extended case method, right? That's global ethnography, and a more horizontal analysis that follows people and processes outward to local institutions that shape their lives. This is the extended place method. To how global and local and historical processes and forces interact within the multiple placed fields that occupy and at times intersect within a given place across time. So it's one place, multiple fields, multiple social actors. As such, an in-place field method entails more than a focus on different contexts, as most ethnographies analyze how participants operate across contexts and situations, and community studies tend to highlight how varied participants operate within a given place. So instead, this approach sees fields as converging and interacting in particular places, even if their logics transcend any given location. That is, this method sees place as constitutive of multiple fields, thus revealing the multiple layers of social life and activity within a particular place.